Weekend weather forecast is going to be a mild one, but there will also be some rounds of rain that could impact outdoor plans. Temperatures are going to be in the 70s both weekend days. A couple showers possible Saturday, but it is going to be a mainly dry day. And our attention then shifts to a Sunday storm threat that is going to come in during the evening, and there could be some stronger storms. We'll break down some of the impacts you can expect coming up in just a few minutes. Temperatures are very mild, holding steady in the upper 60s. Feels more like May or even early June with these temperatures in the 60s overnight. We are now within the sector of a warm front. We call this the warm sector. Essentially, we're going to stay very mild and above average for the next 48 hours now that that warm front has passed on through. Temperatures overnight holding steady around 60 degrees, and we quickly warm up. In fact, we're going to be at 71 degrees by lunchtime tomorrow, and much of the day is going to be dry. There are going to be some widespread showers late Saturday evening, though. But our bigger weather impact for the weekend, that comes on Sunday with the chance for some stronger spring thunderstorms. So the hour-by-hour breakdown, mainly dry weather Saturday. You'll notice a little bit of green on there, just some spotty showers dotting radar, nothing widespread or steady. It is going to be a warm and mainly dry afternoon. More widespread rain chances arrive after dark. You're looking at 9 p.m. on Saturday when some showers start to push on through. That batch of rain showers is going to linger through early Sunday before rain clears off into eastern Ohio. Now, there could be some lingering cloud cover, and that may affect our Sunday storm threat and how much instability we can get in the atmosphere. By Sunday afternoon, we're going to start to see a couple storms bubbling up to the west of us, but a line of stronger storms is going to be likely after dark, moving in between about 8 p.m. and midnight, rolling in from the west. Now, there is still a good amount of uncertainty, but it looks like areas southwest of us have the greatest threat of severe weather, where there is an enhanced or a level 3 out of 5 severe storm risk. It is going to be a mainly dry day on Sunday. That severe risk ramping up after dark, and there is still some uncertainty, and we're keeping a close eye on some of the ingredients this system has. The instability in the atmosphere is still a question mark, and that'll largely depend on how much cloud cover we see and how long that morning round of showers sticks around. Now, there is going to be a lot of wind shear in the atmosphere. In other words, the jet stream is going to be very strong, and that is not going to be an issue. Also, ideal timing, if these storms arrive a little bit sooner, say 7, 8, that would be more conducive to severe weather versus if they arrive at 10 p.m. or midnight. Severe weather is going to be less likely. Regardless of how that pans out, there is going to be a potent cold front that drops us back to 50 on Monday. The first day of April is going to be chilly with highs in the 40s, but we quickly rebound to the 60s Wednesday with our next round of spring showers.